So as we seen, warehouse master means where we need to store our received material on based on purchase order. So now we need to take material receipt. So let's take an example of purchase order. As we have seen in our last session, that we had make purchase order, right, for our shortage. Now vendor has sent that raw material of our purchase order. So every now vendor has sent purchase material. I mean required material based on purchase order. So a company have to receive that material. So we have in ERP we have to enter that information. So for that we have to go with in stores module in business process material receipt. So whatever we had placed in purchase order, vendor has provided that material in our factory. So material stores department will take officially material receipt, and for that we have given one entry, that is material receipt. Either there is another, some of the companies are called it as GRN, goods receipt number, right, or MR, that is material receipt number. But both of the words are different, but concept is the same. So now click on new. Here we have to create the series of material requisition, right, that is material receipt. Now type regular unit 3 vendor means from which vendor this material has came in our premises. So Aarti suppliers has sent us the raw material based on our sales order, purchase order, right? Date, we need to put it date. Now, warehouse code means, let's say we have received the material. Now, first of all, before consuming it, we need to store it at somewhere in a factory, or we need to put that material in somewhere, right? So every manufacturing industry has their warehouse. So we have warehouse. So now I will store this material in warehouse 1. Okay. Now invoice number. Invoice number means whatever the vendor has sent us the material, for that they have sent us one bill. I mean, right, vendor bill. So that is called invoice number. Now get inward detail. Okay. Now Now, see, material receipt is always based on purchase order. Means, if I have make a purchase order, then XYZ material, vendor has provided us material. I am giving a rough example, like a frankly example. Likewise, I have purchased a refrigerator, right? So of course, the refrigerator vendor who has taken my order will deliver it to my house, right? That is material receipt, and on based on purchase order, right? So I have to select here material purchase order 1. Once I clicked on enter, my whole the purchase order items are uploaded by the system, fetched by system. So now here you can see that material purchase order items. Now let's take one by one example. of, see here, my PO number, on what base I have received this material, that is based on my MPO number. These are my raw material which I have ordered. Now one more thing. Uh, this one is pending quantity purchase unit of measurement. Means I have ordered ABCR AM1 raw material 50 quantity. So now, okay, I will give another example. Suppose I have ordered 20 chair to the vendor, but vendor has provided me only 10 chairs, right? So in the same case, we have to enter here. Likewise, ABCRM, that is raw material, I have ordered 50 kilograms, but likewise vendor has given only 20 kilogram or 25 kilogram, so I need to take up that amount only of quantity, right? So in this case I will take a whole quantity. Okay, here my batch number is this, my PO quantity is 50 kgs, right? So I will click on OK. Again, I need to double click. So here I have to check, this is my material purchase bought out, okay, at the supplier. So same way I have the same vendor, okay, one numbers. Now, now here it is not, see what happened, I will give you example why it is not, we are not seeing that, because here warehouse 1 was not taken. So once I click on warehouse 1, it will allow, system will allow, now system will allow me to enter its quantity, right? So likewise I need to check in item master also whether warehouse is linked with that. See here I am not able to allow, so same reason might be, right? So I will be go to edit, in a stock data, see we have WH01 warehouse 1, and we are going to receive that warehouse 1 only. So I need to click and save, then only system will allow to take that material in my warehouse number 1. Okay, same way BO3. So let's take, uh, here already selected, so I will not need to. So system will automatically, allow me to quantity warehouse. Now here one more thing. Suppose I will, accept one quantity. System will, take 51, but its pending is 50. System will take more but will not allow, okay, also will allow take less quantity, but again it will show me the uh, shortage by 1 unit. Now BO4, same way the issue is, it is warehouse was not linked with this item, master. And so likewise, we need to enter all the material receipt. So we need to link warehouse. Okay, it's not a code, it's a code is edit CNR1 stock data warehouse. Now, this one is received quantity and this one is pending quantity. Okay, this one details has been my basic system will fetch my basic rate while I have placed this order at on purchase order. Okay, stock rate, HSN number also. Likewise, now pending quantity is 500. So I will here mention 500. Now you can see that. So now we can material means we have received all the material based on purchase order. Okay. Now system we have to apply tax rate, that is 18%. Transporter details. So like Alankar Transport, Vagodia Road, Vadodara, Gujarat. LR details and GJ 16 ER 9874. And remark, uh, material received. Okay. Manufacturer details. Okay. Code and bill from and pay to. Okay. So likewise, uh, we have a Solar India. Okay. And manufacturer code or so likewise. आई जाओ बस पति की एग्जैक्ट टाइम पर आइए